Hello, I'm Davis. I'm an educator at the Museum of Life and Science. We're doing a bite-sized activity with materials that you can find in your home. Today we're going to learn about surface tension and surfactants doing an activity we call Soapy Boats. To do this activity, you're going to need just a little bit of dish soap, less than a quarter teaspoon, a toothpick or other small item, paper clip would work, a little card to put your soap on, a shallow plate with a little bit of water in it, a pair of scissors, and a glossy piece of paper. I'm using a business card. You could use a piece of junk mail. Now, to start, we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut up our piece of paper. We're going to create a boat shape. To make my boat, I'm going to just basically make a 5-sided piece that looks like a house, and then I'm going to cut a small groove into the back. It's not pretty, but it'll work. So this activity makes use of surface tension. Surface tension is a property of liquids wherein attraction between the surface molecules creates an elastic-like layer on the surface of a liquid, which is why when I take this boat and place it on the water, it doesn't sink. It will sit right on top without breaking that tension. Now, to make this activity work, we're going to be using surfactants, or surface active agents. The surfactant is a chemical that will break up the surface tension of a liquid. So, to do this activity, we take a toothpick, we dip the end of the toothpick into just a little bit of soap, and we press that soap into the slot on the back of the boat. When we do, the boat moves. The boat moves because our surfactant, our dish soap, acts like a pin popping a balloon. When I place the soap into the water, it breaks the surface tension behind the water, while the remaining tension at the front of the boat pulls it forward. If you enjoyed this activity, there are lots of ways you can experiment with it. You could try cutting out different shapes of boats to see if that affects the movement. You could also try using different liquids or different types of soap. I hope you enjoyed Soapy Boats. We'll see you next time.